Okay. All right, we've got a marble competition, ladies and gentlemen. We have 8 marbles. 8 marbles to compete, but only one can win. We're going to start off with some 1v1s. Losers out. Winner moves on to the next round. There are 3 rounds total. We're going to start with our first 2 marbles, TV and pool. All right, let the games begin. And pool gets out to a quick lead, but in this game, those leads go away very quickly. And pulls a big, giant lead. But here comes TV. Oh, and it's going to be Pool by a very large margin. All right. Next round. We're doing this all in one take, or are we going to do one take for each matchup?
We're going to do it all in one take.
Okay. All right, we got the next 2 marbles pulled at random. What are the names of these 2 marbles?
This is raspberry, and this is picture.
Raspberry picture. Well, picture a raspberry, ladies and gentlemen. And we've got picture is out in the lead. I think picture might have a slight advantage because it's let it broken on one side, so it's a little bit easier for it to stop. So that friction is good for this. But could Raspberry gets the upset as Picture stops it before the finish line. Picture is out. Picture is out. Well, who would have pictured that? Whoa! All right, we got the next 2 marbles.
This is snow.
Snow.
This is blackberry.
Blackberry and snow. It sounds like something from the Hunger Games. And if you know what that reference is, you should not be watching this video, ladies and gentlemen. Blackberry takes a big lead. This is a very yummy match. And we're going down to the home stretch. It's Blackberry. Snow got caught up. And it's Blackberry with a big win. Big win for Blackberry. So pick this one right off the vine. We've got Blackberry. All right. Our final 2.
We got green swirl and ocean.
Say it again.
Green swirl and ocean.
Greensfurl?
S-H-R-L.
S-H-R-L.
We got green mark. We got the green bean and the
Green bean, okay. Green bean and ocean. All right, green bean takes the early lead. Followed by ocean. Green bean extends the lead. Ocean's still a little ways behind. Oh, but look out. Ocean almost came back. On the home stretch, it is green bean and ocean. Oh! Green bean! Green bean washes away ocean for the victory. Now we are in the final 4. And we will pick them at random.
The first one is going to be in this route. The other one is going to be in the middle route.
That's not very fair. Because
both of these are going to be in this route.
Yeah, they should both be the same. Because otherwise they would skip this one. All right, we've got green bean and blackberry. And at the start, it's Blackberry takes the first initial lead. And Greenberry takes the lead back. We got a back and forth here. This is an exciting one. It's anybody's ball game. There's green bean. There's blackberry. And who's gonna win around and around the blackberry wins? Oh, somebody didn't eat their vegetables. Blackberry is the winner. All right, we're down to the last semifinal. We got raspberry versus pool. And here we go. Early goes to pool. Oh, pool has an issue. Had some issues. Had to get an assist. Oh, pool's falling behind. There's raspberry. Are we going to see a all-berry final? Or will pool find the... No, it's raspberry. It's raspberry versus blackberry in the final. Which one is your favorite? If you say apple, you can leave now. All right, here we go. Raspberry versus blackberry for all the marbles, both figuratively and literally. And this is raspberry with a slight lead at the start. There goes raspberry, there's blackberry. This is a tough matchup. This is the final you want to see. There goes raspberry, there goes blackberry. Ladies and gentlemen, they are neck and neck. Both of them want the championship as much as any marble could. Oh, raspberry still has the lead. Blackberry almost took it from him. And it is raspberry for the win. Oh! Not to toot raspberry's horn, but gotta love the raspberry. And just for the heck of it, for a victory lap from raspberry, because this video is already 7 minutes. Cameo by Green Bean, but and that is the victory lap, although he gets beat by Pool because he gets stuck. And then that is the end of the victory lap. All right, so that is the marble tournament. Come back for the next hijinks video. And I think most of this is going to be upside down. All right.